Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video. This video is my end of the semester assignment for strategic program and portfolio management. So I am doing a digital transformation initiative for a global manufacturing company. My goal is to make a global manufacturing company enhance their processes through IoT, AI, and data analytics. Here are the 6 phases of the initiatives I have laid out, which I'll be discussing. So the first phase is initiation phase where we are going to start with the visualization of what the company wants to do. So for that I have laid out the objectives. I have given a duration of 1 month and also listed out the key deliverables where the company needs to uh, complete to finish the phase. Moving on in the planning phase, we are going to take the initial visualizations and start to come up with a plan to how to make it into a reality. Similarly, I have given the objective as well as the key deliverables for the this phase, and I have given it a 2 month time period. And in the third phase, now we need to design the systems that we are going to use to get our objectives done. Basically, what types of systems we are, what types of systems and structures we are going to use, such as sensors and all the hardwares and all the softwares that are we going to use for implementing our IoT and AI solutions. So I have given 3 months time period for this phase, and the implementation phase is the phase where we are going to actually be doing the things that we have planned up till now and all the designs that we have came up with. So since this is a more long-term process, I have given it a 6 months time, and I have listed out the key deliverables for this part of the phase to be. So as we know that once we have implemented the system might not work as we intended in the initial and the second phase, but that does not mean that we just simply give up. We need to test it. We need to come up with the solutions for the real practical implications that we have building up the systems, and also we need to make sure that the system works to the best at it can, so we need to optimize it. Similarly, I have given a 2 months duration for this time period and laid out the objectives and the key deliverable. So once the phase 5 is completed, basically we are good to go. But since the system needs to improve as time passes, new challenges may arise. So we need to have a continuous improvement, as well as the system is keep on gets used, it may deteriorate. So we need to maintain it constantly. So I have basically given a small Gantt chart of the timeline of this initiative, followed by, okay, so there are various activities needs to be done to prepare for the changes that we have initially planned and implemented. So the first step is to create the sense of urgency, which will help us to make sure the project gets completed, followed by building a guiding coalition. What basically we means is, in this company there might be many people working in different areas of the work, and so everybody needs to work with each other to make sure that everybody can do the best they can and have the successes be completed all together, one step at a time. So without a clear vision and strategy to implement, people will not know how to implement the things that they need to implement. So a clear vision and strategy is a must. So just having a clear vision is not simply enough, because we need to communicate what we have to the all the members that are involved in this initiative. So removing obstacles and empowering actions. So everything cannot be planned and prepared for in the initial phase. So removing obstacles might be done in the initial phase, planning phase, but some obstacles will come during the uh, initiation phase which was not planned. So empowering people to get across the finish line is very much important for the success of the initiative. Generating short-term wins. We cannot simply look at one big goal and one big win, but we need to break it down into a smaller and series of wins, which by winning, we can improve and encourage everybody to move forward quickly as possible. So all the gains and all the production productivities that we have uh, enhanced and we have achieved till now should be consolidated moving forward for the main and the final victory. So various approaches can be used to enhance the already existing culture, to make sure the coming up new cultures that are required for the initiatives to be successful are handled properly and so on. So all these 8 steps that I have picked is not some random steps. I have used the Cortez 8 steps change model for digital transformation. So Cortez 8 step change models is a very proven framework, and because of all the things that I have talked about up till now, has given us a clear framework on which we can use to make sure that our initiative stays the course and we can finish the finish line with great respect and great desire. So here are the references for the Courtier 8 steps model which I have prepared, and thank you everyone.